Michael's haul. Brenda was sharing that she found these flat cards and envelopes. So this is actually what made me go and check these stores out. So these flat cards, you know, I love making cards on that, and that's what I do. But I was able to get this. Packaging is a little beat up, but it doesn't mind. I don't mind, because what matters is what's inside. So these are flat. So what I was planning to do with these is just get them, work on my card, and then go ahead and stick them onto my card base, which would work perfect and beautifully. And not only that, I like the cardstock that they use, the print. And these were $3 along with these. Same idea, they're flat, but I liked what they have to offer. And plus you get all the envelopes. And these, these are a total of 40 sets each. Each of them have 40 envelopes and 40 flat cards. I found this, which I thought was very cool. It's a resist spray, which I haven't seen much, but I am so curious to find out what it does and how it works. I'm guessing that you spray it on and then you put whatever medium you're going to be using, whether it be watercolor or inks, and it doesn't take the color of the paper that you are placing it in, leaving that splotchy look. Which, yeah, I am very curious. Texture spray that dries clear and is water resistant. So yes, curious to use this one. Then I saw these Distress Oxides inks, and I haven't used these, so I'm curious to use them. Definitely seen them, and I like the effect that they give, so I got these, which are my favorite colors. I also found black alcohol ink, and I flipped and wiped. If you saw the video of the nail polish technique that I used, black and white really give the whole project a different turn. So I am very curious to work with this black and this white on with other colors of alcohol inks. I'm so excited to work with this, and I had not seen this before, so I'm very excited to use these. And these items, I got them with a 40% coupon. I took my daughters along and took advantage of their presents, and I got these for 40% off. All right, so on clearance were these guys. These were, I believe, $1. These are 25 little tags. Again, I thought they were cute. I don't have a punch this style, so yeah, I grabbed this. And in the stamp section, I found these. This one was $5 because it includes the die cuts, and I just love the fishies. I'm not too crazy about the mermaid, but I loved these guys. And yes, I think I will be using her. They give you ideas, and I really like the ideas. So this was $5. Then I thought she was, well, this nurse, Art Impressions, I thought this was very cute. This one was $3, and I just love this here. This is what made me buy it. It was so cute. That's why they call it the ICU. So cute. Get well. I love this also. Get well soon. It's crossed off, and it says now. Get well now. The nice nurse is on vacation. Get well soon. She's scary. Get well soon. We can't cover our back forever. I thought that, again, cute. Hope you'll soon be fully recovered. Happy pills, chill pills. So yeah, I got this one. This was for $3. And this one I kept going back and forth. I was like, I could draw these birds. I could draw these birds. But this was only $5 because it comes with the stencil. But I really liked them, and I thought to myself, you know what, I could heat emboss it and then work on it. If I draw it myself, it'll be harder to make that border that the heat emboss does. I could probably use an embossing pen and then heat emboss it, but hey, we struggle with time. And that's what we need the most of. So I was like, okay, take this shortcut and just buy the darn stamp. Spend the $5. So I really like these birdies. Think that they would be very cute colored in. So I'm looking forward to playing with those. And for my goals, last but not least, I got this stamp and stencil set. This was surprisingly only $3. And it comes with these stamps, which is the love, embrace the journey, be brave with your life, celebrate, hello sunshine. This is what made me get this one. Do more of what you love. That is my motto in life. So I just really want to share that. Do more of what you love. And this one also comes with stencils. Thought these were cool or fun. This was a fun one. And this other one, which is like Art Deco. Like that one. And I really like these little borders. This is very sweet. Different borders that they have. And this pack was $3. I was quite surprised. They must really want to get rid of it. And guess what? They did. They found a sucker. No, I absolutely love this. So, yeah. So, this is all the stuff for Michael's. So, yeah, that is it for now. I enjoyed actually sharing my hauls. I think these videos are helpful to precisely do that. Know what's out there and see what you can get for a lower price. Everything is so expensive. I hope that this helps you guys. And as always, please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit like, comment also. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you could get notified every time I post a video. And alrighty, as always, I hope you get inspired. I hope you create. But most importantly, I hope you are happy. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.